In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapdrop on Android. So first, let's head over to Chrome. So, or Edge or Bravo or Brave, whatever browser you are using. So after that, search for Snapdrop and then make sure it's the official website. So make sure the URL should be like snapdrop.net. So click on that. So this is a very similar of how you use Snapdrop on your PC or laptop. So after that, on the other device, so assuming we have another device, open that also, and then you'll see each other's device name pop up automatically. So make sure you are on the same Wi-Fi network in order to see the name of that device you want to send a file or you want to receive a file from that device. And then after that, if you want to send a file, just tap the upload file and then choose the file photo or video you want to send, and it will start transferring instantly. So yeah, assumingly we have. So if you want to receive a file in here, on the receiving device, you can tap the download when the file arrives, and that's it. That's how you use Snapdrop. So no app or account needed, just browser and Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.